Want to use two separate Instagram accounts on your iPhone without constantly switching between them? Oh, here's an easy trick to get a second Instagram app on your iPhone. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Now tap the address bar and go to Instagram.com. Next, log into the second Instagram account that you want to keep separate from your main Instagram app. Once you're logged in, tap the Share button at the bottom of Safari. Now, scroll down and tap Add to Home Screen. On some iPhone versions, you may need to tap More first before you see the option. You'll now see the Instagram icon and name appear. If you want, you can rename it to something like Instagram Work or Second Instagram to make it easier to identify. After that, tap Add in the top right corner. Your iPhone will now create a new Instagram shortcut icon directly on your home screen that looks almost like a separate Instagram app. Now you can use the official Instagram app for your main account and the Safari shortcut version for your second account without logging in and out repeatedly. Both accounts will work independently, making it much easier to manage personal and work Instagram accounts on iPhone. If this Instagram iPhone tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, Instagram tricks, and social media tutorials.